Hi there! If you want to show several types of info in one place, sometimes it will be difficult to arrange it in a simple and neat style, but you can easily achieve it using our InfoBox widget. It's a complete set of icons, links, text, colors, and which help you to create an appealing design for your website, and it will increase the overall user engagement of your website. But first of all, do make sure you've installed and activated the plugins below. The free version of the Elementor, the free version of the Happy Addons. By the way, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, then please subscribe and turn on the bell icon to get more upcoming tutorials like this one. Let's see how you can easily use the InfoBox widget on your WordPress site. First, go to the Elementor Editing panel, then search for the widget and add it to the design area. Next, expand the content option and open the icon or image, then add an icon. Also, you can add an image through this option. Adjust the image size. Now, click on the style and tap on the icon or image option to change its color, background color, padding, border type, border radius, offset, and box shadow. Again, tap on the title or description and add a title, description, and alignment. Once you added it, now stylize title or description. Open the link option and change the text color. Again, go to the content section and add a link text or remove it. Lastly, open the advanced tab and add the padding and change other options as per your recommendations. Once you're done, preview it to see the changes look okay. So this is how you can use the InfoBox widget to make your website boxes more appealing and interesting. Another thing you can do with your InfoBox is to add preset, which is a pro feature of Happy Addons. Let's see how to do it. For more information on designing your WordPress site, subscribe to our channel and connect on our social pages to receive updates on designing your WordPress site using the Happy Elementor add-ons.